Welcome back. Hold my beer. Worldwide Chrome, Chrome in 4K. It's a beautiful day out here in Florida. Family has to eat, so we're gonna do something. Like, you guys have been watching the channel, you know I like to barbecue, I like to do this and that, but hey, I also like seafood as well. So today we're gonna do a shrimp boil. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on. I already have my my pot. We are at a rolling boil. We're getting ready to go. So first thing we're gonna do is, some people like sausages, some people like I've even heard chicken. They like smoked ham hocks, smoked turkey wings, smoked this. Smoked neck bones is what does it for me. So first thing you're gonna do, this is the most densest part of what we're doing. We're gonna put them in first. And then once we put them in, even though they're smoked, they're cooked, we're gonna let them go for maybe 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe even longer than that. We're gonna take our veggies. This is nothing but bell pepper cut up, some onions. We'll drop them in. And what we can also do at the same time is, and you guys, y'all don't know it, but it's Peyton plays behind the camera. All right, so he's doing his thing. All right, so this is what we're doing now. We're gonna put in, you can put in your favorite crab boil, seafood boil seasoning. That's what we're doing right now. Put all that in there. Put all that in there right now. Now, we're gonna bring it back up to a rolling boil, get it back up to temp, and in a minute, we're gonna come back, show you what else the next step is, and we're gonna keep building on it. Please watch the video to the end, like, comment, and subscribe. The Hold My Beer channel. It's your host, Worldwide Chrome, Chrome in 4K, Peyton Plays with a Z on YouTube, and the Crafty Balloonist on YouTube as well. See y'all shortly. All right, guys. So we're back. We're still boiling. We're boiling. So at this point, sorry, I got to do everything one-handed. Hold it. At this point, we have our smoked meat, neck bones in this case. They boiled down. Y'all hear it in the background. That baby is rolling. You hear me? That baby is rolling. Oh, done steamed up. Done steamed up. So now, what we're gonna do, oh, the guy came out here. We're gonna, you think you can do it? No. Here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take our potatoes. We'll take our potatoes. Here, you hold that. All right, thank you, cameraman. We're gonna take our potatoes. They're going in now. Woo! All right, so we'll let them go for maybe, I would say 10-15 minutes, because we don't want them to turn into mush or anything. Then I'm actually gonna turn off the pot, because we are doing a shrimp boil today, and shrimp don't need a lot of heat to cook. All right, so just know that. So your odds of success are a whole lot higher. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys. We can go ahead and turn it down. We'll go ahead and turn it down. Y'all probably can hear me a whole lot better.
Way better. It's loud.
Way better. I'm gonna turn it down. So we'll let the potatoes, you know, let them steam up. Let them get a little tender, a little soft. Then we're gonna come back, drop in the shrimp. and then we're gonna show you guys what it looks like at the end.
Smells good.
Smells great, doesn't it? I know it smells wonderful. It smells great, doesn't it? The temperature is down, so we're in the house. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you, young man. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you have all your notifications on. Appreciate you guys. Let's go. All right, guys. So now at this point, everything is kind of boiled down, still simmering, you know, and we're doing a shrimp boil. So shrimp doesn't take much to cook. So you can actually turn off your propane, you can turn off your water, there's no need to keep boiling it. And we're gonna put in our raw shrimp, like this right here. I got like 3 pounds of shrimp. And they're gonna cook. And while they're cooking, everything will soak. You know, that's why you turn off your heat. So it gives your foods, your vegetables, your proteins an opportunity to suck all that seasoning back into it that you spent all your good money on. So once these finish soaking, I'm gonna give them maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20, depending on how I feel. We'll see y'all on the inside and show you what we got. Everything is done. Hit the target time. Show you what we got. This is what you can do. If you're confused about how to do it, especially when you're dealing with shrimp, because shrimp is a different animals, you can't just boil the crap out of them. So rewatch the video again and again and again and again, so you know. But hey, when you do it right, that's what you get. So I'm one of those type of people. I don't like things to touch. I don't know. I'm weird like that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. So the family and I, we are gonna, sorry.
It's always too late now.
Yeah, so the family and I, we're gonna enjoy our meal. Hopefully you guys are having a good meal. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you. Keep watching the videos. We're gonna keep getting better. I'm gonna keep getting better and give you more content. All right. The Hold My Beer channel. The name is Worldwide Chrome or Chrome in 4K. At Fate and Plays on YouTube. At the Crafty Balloonist. After Crafty, if you're not, you should. Well, if you're, yes, Crafty Balloonist. Basically balloon, then IST. Appreciate y'all, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces.